Welcome to Zoology World. Today, we are going to delve into the fascinating world of animal hibernation. Have you ever wondered how animals survive the harsh winter months by going into a deep sleep? Let's find out more about this incredible phenomenon. What is hibernation? Hibernation is a state of dormancy that some animals enter to conserve energy during the winter when food is scarce. It's not just about sleeping. The animal's metabolism slows down, heart rate drops, and body temperature decreases significantly. This helps them survive until spring when food becomes plentiful again. How do animals hibernate? Different animals have unique ways of hibernating. Some burrow underground, like groundhogs, to escape the cold, while others find shelter in caves or hollow trees. Bears, on the other hand, build up fat stores before hibernating and rely on them for energy during their long slumber. Which animals hibernate? While we often associate hibernation with bears, many other animals also hibernate. Some examples include bats, snakes, frogs, and even insects like ladybugs. Each species has developed its own adaptations to survive the winter months in a state of hibernation. Why is hibernation necessary? Hibernation is crucial for the survival of many animals, especially in regions with harsh winters. By entering a state of dormancy, these animals can conserve energy, reduce their metabolism, and avoid predators when food is scarce. It's a remarkable adaptation that has allowed these creatures to thrive in challenging environments. Thank you for joining us on this journey to learn more about animal hibernation. We hope you found this video informative and fascinating. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the natural world.